Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Travel Bugby. So in this video then I'm going to be doing a packing video, and basically I am packing for a 3-day city break somewhere in Europe. I have no idea where I'm going. I booked one of them mystery holidays. They did send me a weather report which is looking around 15 degrees and sunny, and the other 2 days are going to be cloudy, so it's kind of decent weather. So I'm kind of packing pretty much what I normally wear on a daily basis here in Ireland. Because I'm only going for 3 days, I don't need to check in the suitcase. I can go carry on only. So I'm trying to keep things nice and light. So this is pretty much everything that I'm bringing. So first of all, I have my toiletry bag. Has your standard toiletries, my lip balm, rescue remedy, and I have a toothbrush as well with a cover on it. I need to get some shampoo and toothpaste, so that will go in there later. So the bag I'm using is a anti-theft bag I bought from wish.com. I did say in the review video it's not great for packing bulk. I am going to give it another try and maybe pack it a bit better than I did last time. The all essential phone and tablet, they are coming with me. And of course I have headphones as well for if I want to watch something online while I'm at the hotel. I'm going to try and bring an eye mask. It might help with the hotel, and maybe for the flight. I have no idea how long I'm going to be on it for, so could come in handy. So over in this corner is all the techie stuff. So I'm bringing Mo, the GoPro Hero 4 Silver, which I'm filming on. I have his waterproof case and head mount, because you never know if you need a head mount. And then I have Nikki the Nikon as well. I don't care, I like to name my cameras. She is a Nikon L820, so I'll be bringing her. This plug I picked up from a shop called Eurogiant, sells all cheap stuff, and has 4 ports for USB, so which is really good for charging multiple things at once. And I have a European adapter. Then I have my camera bag. I'm kind of fighting with myself whether to bring it or not, but sure, we'll see how it goes. I have a tripod, microfiber cloth for cleaning lenses, and I also have a pole for the GoPro as well. So it's one that you use for water. I want to get a proper selfie stick for the GoPro, it might come in handy, but for now that's all I have. Coming up to clothes then, so for nighttime wear I'm going to be basically wearing a pair of leggings. They're a lot lighter and thinner than pajamas, and I also have a pair of fluffy socks to keep the piggies warm. I have a spare jumper. I'm going to be wearing a jumper going over on the plane, and I have 2 pairs of jeans. So in the jeans I have my t-shirts rolled up in there as well to try and save a bit of space. So I have 2 t-shirts. I'm also going to be bringing this jacket. I got this jacket in Pennies, and basically it's supposed to fold a bit smaller, but I broke the rope on the top there. And I'm actually going to be wearing this the day I travel as well to save a bit of space. Also, I have this book as well. So I know it says Day in the Life of My Dog, but I'm actually using it as a travel journal. I was writing in it on my way back from Brussels on the flight, and it did make the time go so much quicker, so that was great to have. So I'm going to bring it again. And of course you can never travel without the all important passport, so I'll keep that handy. In regards to the flight then, I have no idea how long I'm going to be on the plane for, so I'm pretty much going to wear what I'm wearing now. Pair of tracksuit bottoms, comfy jumper, anything just to stay comfortable, because God knows how long I'm going to be on the plane for. So I'm going to try and get this mess into the bag. Hopefully it'll work out a lot better than it did in Brussels, but see how we get on. Okay, camera gear is not fitting in the bag. Ugh. So without the camera bag, I still have a lot of room in there. So I'm just gonna have to take this with me as a separate bag to whichever airline I'm flying with. Please don't give out to me. So we'll hope for the best. So I'm pretty much packed now for my 3-day European city break. So wherever that may be, hopefully I packed the right things. So now it's just a matter of sitting around waiting for it to happen. So I'll be sure to keep you guys updated. If you're curious to find out where I end up going, make sure you hit subscribe, and sure, you might as well leave us a like in the comments while you're at it. Also check out my Facebook and Instagram account. All the links are down there. Definitely check out Instagram, because they'll probably get first insight on where I end up going. So I will see you next time. Bye.